Hey everyone, welcome back to CoinChimp. Today I want to break down something really exciting, atomic composability, a concept that's key to Kaspa's future and how it will handle smart contracts and ZK rollups. If you haven't seen it yet, Jonathan Sompolinski recently shared an insightful post on X. The post dives into atomic composability and other considerations for Layer 1 and Layer 2 support. If you've ever been frustrated by delays in crypto transactions or worried about missing critical opportunities in fast-moving markets, like when a DeFi app keeps failing your transaction and wasting your gas fees, this is something you need to hear about. Kaspa's atomic composability addresses these challenges head-on, offering a solution that eliminates these inefficiencies and frustrations for good. Atomic composability means smart contracts can interact instantly without any delays or uncertainty. Imagine this, you're swapping tokens and borrowing at the same time in DeFi. With atomic composability, everything happens in a single transaction. Now compare that to Ethereum or Solana today. Ethereum is moving toward rollups where smart contracts interact more slowly because they rely on asynchronous processes. It's like sending emails back and forth instead of having a real-time conversation. Solana is faster, but it sacrifices decentralization to get there. Kaspa is aiming for both speed and resilience. Imagine you're using DeFi to take out a loan. On Ethereum, the process might span multiple rollups. The system has to process your loan, lock collateral, and transfer tokens. Cross-rollup transactions are slow. If prices change while you're waiting, you could miss out. If one step fails, like the collateral not locking properly, you're back to square one. You lose time and you might even lose money on gas fees. Ethereum has some protections like reverts if transactions fail, but you still pay for the attempt. Async composability adds delays and complexity. Plus, there's no guarantee everything will go smoothly in multi-step operations. With atomic composability, everything happens in one step. Your loan is issued, collateral is locked, and tokens are transferred, all in one smooth transaction. No delays, no partial failures, and no need to retry. If any part fails, the whole thing reverts, so your funds are always safe. On Ethereum, ZK rollups handle computation off-chain and then submit proof back to the base layer. But async composability makes syncing these proofs between smart contracts harder. Kaspa does it differently. It keeps ZK rollup data and proof entirely on-chain, so they're transparent, verifiable, and processed instantly. This makes Kaspa a high-speed, ZK proof-ready chain that doesn't compromise on trust. For developers, atomic composability makes building apps so much easier. Imagine creating a DEX or a lending protocol where every interaction happens predictably and instantly. No need to worry about syncing delays or external dependencies. And for users, it's all about a better experience. Faster trades, no failed transactions, no frustrating wait times. Kaspa will make crypto feel seamless and intuitive. Kaspa is pushing the boundaries with atomic composability. It bridges speed and security, ensuring ZK rollups and smart contracts work seamlessly. This means a better technology for everyone, developers and users alike. I hope you found this content valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials and insights like this. Also, be sure to follow me on Twitter to stay updated with the latest developments in this technology and beyond. Let's keep exploring and learning together. Until the next time, cheers.